Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Gorgeous Gamer and welcome to this video of Lady Tut on the Commodore 64. So this is a maze action game from 1983. So I don't think this game came out on any more system. Yeah, actually I have seen a new version actually on the Atari 8-bit, but that's the only version I know. Okay, so let's see. Yep, we have got a little bit of Egyptian tune here. Alright, so here we go. Let's see. Select keyboard here. And my keys of choice. And my firing. So, yes. So here we go. I place this block here. And I need to... Well, I don't think I have to collect all the treasures if I don't want to. The most necessary thing is to collect the keys. And I have a lot of bugs and shit here. And I have to use these rotating doors here to my advantage. So I have to time my moves here. Yeah, they are really annoying, these creatures. So now I have the key, and I need to go down to the lock here, to the door. And now that bastard snake is blocking the way. So I should try to time him. When he goes down, perhaps there, perhaps I can do it. Oh shit. You bastard. Oh, yeah, okay, I got it. Yes. So it's 3 lives. This game. Normal for an old game. So now I have 2 doors. So I have only 1 key, so the other one will appear later on. So it's nice that you can actually stay in the corners and don't be killed. Always a little bit of plus. Okay, I'm gonna skip that ring over there and just go for the key, for the door here. Okay, so now I got the second key in the left corner down there, and there is skeletons and shit. Okay, so now perhaps I should try to block them. Okay, fuck. I just blocked myself. Okay, but wait a second here. I should try to block them. If they all go together up there, perhaps. Come on, you skeleton, get up there, you bastard. You... Okay, I think I got it now. I think... Okay, I can stay here actually. Yeah, it will not kill me, the bug, if I stay here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go for the door here. Come on, get up there. Yes, thank you. Okay, so now something revolutionary will happen. Yes, because in this level 3 I will have a gun. If I can reach it. First I'm going to try to collect my key here. Yes, so my gun is over here. That ring there up to the right is a gun. Believe it or not. Look at now. Papa! No! Wasn't not a gun. Perhaps I will have it later, sorry. Sorry about that false information. You asshole snake, get out of my face. Get out of my face. Stop cruising around there. I'm locked in here. Yes, get out of my face, you bastard. Yes. Okay. So, okay, I should try to lure that ugly snake. I don't have to deal with him actually. He will disappear. Okay, perhaps now in level 4 I will get a gun. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if I have been in this level before. Okay, I should try to go this way. You ugly... Fuck, I cannot go this way. I should try to... Okay, have to go around here somehow. You asshole! Huh? Yeah, it's a shame actually that I cannot demonstrate the shoot. Ooh. I want to. Oh, I was so lucky there. Perhaps this is my gun. You stop flying there. You asshole, get out of my face. I'm so pumped up now. I wanna have a gun. I want to shoot bugs. Yes, now the coast is clear. Perhaps this must be the gun. It must be. Yes! And I cannot shoot down or up now. I can only shoot left or right. So I have to demonstrate now. Like that. Ugh. No, you bastard! Yes, I got ya. Okay. So I managed that. But I cannot shoot down. Only left or right. It's pretty crazy, but okay. It's an old game. I cannot be too tough on it. Get out of my face! You wankers! Ugh! You bastard! Okay, yeah, it's game over. That was Lady Toot. Cool game, yeah, I really like this game. It's a little bit frustrating, but it's cool. It's so cool. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. I strongly recommend it. So cool. I'm happy that I found out about this game. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. And have a good one. Goodbye.